Imagine combining the precision of algorithmic trading along with the expertise of SEBI-registered analysts. Sounds like a game changer, right? Well, it is. And now we have a feature that allows you to implement this on AlgoTest. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to talk about our latest feature called RA Algos. This is a feature that essentially allows you to trade strategies built by expert SEBI-registered analysts via algos. So this way, you don't even have to build your own trading strategy, but instead, you just have to learn the process on how to verify which strategy is good, which strategy is better, and which one is suited to you. So in this video, first and foremost, we're going to discuss how to use the RA Algos feature on AlgoTest, the process to follow when it comes to actually picking a strategy by SEBI RA and then trading it live, and really important, the key points and precautions that you have to keep in mind before you make use of this amazing feature. Before we get into all of that, let's first understand what SEBI says that a research analyst is. According to SEBI, a research analyst is a SEBI-registered expert who studies financial markets and securities to give informed recommendations. They follow strict regulations, ensuring transparency and credibility in their insights. From stocks to commodities, they analyze it all to help traders and investors like you make smarter decisions. SEBI guidelines ensure that their recommendations are backed by thorough research, free from personal bias, and are fully disclosed. And it's this kind of credibility that we're trying to bring to you on AlgoTest. So guys, let's get into how to use this product first and foremost. So I'm currently on the AlgoTest landing page and I'm going to click on Go to Dashboard. In the nav bar, you can see there's a new section that says RA Algos. We're going to click that tab and this page loads up. So these are strategies. At the moment, we have 10 strategies that you can choose from. All of these are built by a SEBI-registered RA, and we'll talk more about who made this strategy and how they made it in just a bit. So first and foremost, let's say I want to pick maybe Mr. Option Momentum Buying. Let's pick this one for now. This is obviously not a recommendation to use a strategy. I'm just randomly picking one. We're going to click on View Backtested Results, and you can see it showing you some quick statistics over here, but we're going to talk about how to look at it later in the video. For now, let's just click on this and let's break it down from top to bottom. First and foremost, this is the name of the actual strategy. It's called Mr. Option Momentum Buying, and it's by Signup Broking Limited. You can see the number of people that have saved this strategy. You can save it by clicking on this purple button down here, and now it will get saved. And after that, you can see it shows what days you should deploy the strategy on. In this case, it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Over here, you can see some tags that it's an intraday strategy, it's a nifty strategy, and it's a buying strategy. Now about this algo, this tells you what this specific strategy is about, what it's trying to do, how it's trying to win essentially. So of course you must go through this. Thereafter, scrolling down, you see the backtested results. This is just a short period from 10th December 2023 to 9th December 2024, which is basically a 1-year backtest. Again, this is all past data. Shows you the overall MTM in this period, max drawdown, win percentage, loss percentage, number of trades, and average P&L per trade, return to max drawdown, and expectancy ratio. Along with that, you can see the P&L curve. Scrolling down further, you can learn more about the research analyst. It says Signup Broking and so on and so forth. You can see there's SEBI registration number over here. This is of course very important. Thereafter, you can see some disclaimers here, which we'll talk about later. After that, there's also FAQs over here that again, I encourage all of you to go through this. Anybody that's wishing to implement any of these strategies by a SEBI-registered analyst, you must go through all of these FAQs as well. After that, you can see on the bottom it says forward test, algo trade, and backtest, right? So for now, let's start with the backtest. Click on max and click on backtest. So this is basically taking the data from the very beginning, right? In this case, it's Nifty, so it's going to take data from 2019. All right, guys, the backtest is complete. Scrolling up, you can see now the backtest page is populated according to the latest backtest, which is from 2019. Okay, so let's start off by adding taxes and charges. Of course, you should also add brokerage on the basis of whatever your brokerage is. In our case, we'll leave it blank for now. Slippage is necessary, of course. Click on, you can add whatever slippage you want. I'm just taking 0.5 as a demonstration. Click on recalculate, and of course, it'll repopulate the statistics on the basis of what you have input. Now you can see the change in MTM, max drawdown, number of trades, so on and so forth. The P&L curve along with the underlying value. This is Nifty in this case. And scrolling down further, you also have a year-wise P&L. It's very similar to our traditional backtest page where you build your own strategy, except it's just a little more condensed down here. Because of course, we're not going to see the strategy parameters. We're just going to see how it's performed. So you can see a month-wise per year breakdown of how the strategy would have performed. So it is really important to go through all of this. And thereafter, let's move on to understanding how to forward test their strategy. So I'm going to go back firstly, and then I'm going to go to save algos, right? Every time you save an algo, let's say if I want to save this one as well, it'll come under save algos, right? For the time being, I will unsave this because like I said, I'm just demonstrating. So now, once I'm in the saved algos page, so let's click on forward test first. Clicking on forward test takes you to the typical forward test page that we have, except you can see there's another RA Algos tab here. So if you want, you could just go to forward test, intraday forward test, and you'd find, it would be intraday strategies by default, and then you can select RA Algos as well. This will show all the RA Algos that you have saved in your account. So now what we'll do is we're going to click on quantity multiplier, and here you can choose how many lots you want to trade, right? By default, the value is going to be one lot, and the backtest is also going to be on the basis of just one lot. But if you want to trade 10 lots, of course you can do that. After that, after you've clicked on save, all you have to do is click on activate and the strategy will run as per normal. Everything will show up here. Currently the market is closed, so I'm not going to click on activate. So that's how you forward test it. Now we're back in the saved algos page and hovering over it. Now I'm going to click on algo trade. Once again, it brings you to our algo trade page, and just like in forward test, there's another tab called RA Algos. By default, you'd be here, and now you selected RA Algos. All the algos that you've saved will be visible over here. Once again, you can choose only the quantity multiplier and click on activate after broker login and all that. Now, one key thing over here that all of you smart traders would have definitely noticed is that there is no section for execution settings. There is no button to edit your execution settings. Now, all of this is set by the person creating the strategy because they know the strategy best. There's no point of us interfering with this. Whatever the strategy creator has decided is the optimal execution setting is what will be executed. So all you have to do is click on activate, and as per usual, it'll start trading over here. So the flow is pretty simple. We've kept the UI very easy and simple to use. We want you to not have to worry about any of all this navigation, but just understanding how to use the product and using it. Now, how do you go about trading any of these strategies? What is the process that you should follow? So in this case, since you don't have to actually build any strategies of your own, in this case, you're using a SEBI-registered analyst's trading strategy. They're qualified and they are authorized to build strategies and allow other people to trade those strategies, so long as they abide by all their rules. That part is taken care of. But now it's a matter of selecting which one is appropriate for you. First place you can start off is seeing if it's a buying or a selling strategy. Let's say if I want to start off with just a buying strategy and I select this one, Mr. Option Momentum Buying, what I would do is first click on this. And by the way, guys, don't go just by these returns. Of course, this is not giving you a full picture of what's happening. Click on the actual strategy. And like we did earlier, run a backtest for whatever period you like. Run a backtest for maybe 6 months, 2 years max. I would personally do it for the entire period and see how consistent the returns are. And then I would add my brokerage, I would add my charges and taxes, and I would definitely add slippage at the very least of 0.5%. If you want to be more conservative, you can take 1%. But only after you've done thorough research in the strategy, it's backtested results, you've read the FAQs, you've read these disclaimers. Only after you've understood all of this, should you move on to the next step. The next step is forward test. You will forward test the strategy, try it with one lot or how many ever lots you'd like to trade, see how it's performed. But keep in mind, forward test is of course not 100% the real market because there are no taxes, charges or any of those things. And we always assume that you're getting the best price. So try to compare your forward test with the back test and see how much of an error rate there is. Once you've done that, then go to algo trade. Only then after you've done this much research and you've actually looked at the statistics and not just, okay, this is the return, this is the capital, let's trade. Only after you've done all this, should you then click on algo trade and then deploy this strategy in your account. It's a very simple process. Step 1, choose a strategy type. Step 2, backtest it. Step 3, forward test it. And finally, algo trade it. Now let's talk about some really important key points and precautions that you have to take. First and foremost, the performance metrics that are provided for the SEBI RA strategies, including backtest reports, are based on historical data and simulations. It's not necessary that this is how it's going to be in the real market. But if you're all traders, we all know this fact. Second, traders must ensure that they have adequate margin available with their broker to execute trades based on RA recommendations. AlgoTest and our respective RAs are not liable for any losses incurred due to margin constraints, trading related issues, or technical issues. And this also includes downtime or connectivity problems for our end or your broker's end. So we're not liable for any of this. This is completely at your own risk. Automating trades on the basis of SEBI-registered analyst strategies involves market risks because it's still trading. You're still trading. You're just trading on the basis of someone who's verified, authorized, and has a high credibility. So these strategies are created solely by the RA, and AlgoTest does not alter or modify them. We don't alter, change any input or parameters, and neither can you. Only the creator can. But users are always going to be fully responsible for trading decisions and the outcomes of any strategy that they choose to implement. And like I said earlier, a really important point is returns are always going to be subject to costs, charges, slippage, all of these things. So please make sure that you use the brokerage calculator, slippages, and all these features that we've built within the platform to make an informed trading decision. Everything that I've just discussed, you will find in this section, in the disclaimer section, in the FAQ section. So like I've said previously in the video, please go through this. If you want to see what strategies are the most popular ones, you can see over here where it says saves. In this case, it's 324 people that have saved this strategy as of now. Now let's talk about pricing. So we have two plans at the moment. The first one is the essential plan, which is $399 for 28 days. And the second is the professional plan, which is $899 for 28 days. Let's break it down individually. In the essential plan, which is $399, you'll get 2 RA strategies that you can trade, forward test as well as algo trade. And along with this, you'll get 100 backtest credits. And that's the essential plan. The professional plan, which is for $899, you can pick any 6 strategies. You will get forward test and you will get algo trade for all of these 6 strategies. Along with this, you'll get 200 additional backtests. So very simple pricing. Pick whatever you'd like on the basis of your requirement. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. We hope you've enjoyed it and we hope you're just as excited as us to use this really cool feature that we've brought to you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.